Okay, hello friends. Today in this video we are going to discuss the Tudor dynasty. Okay, कि Tudor dynasty में कौन-कौन rulers थे, who married whom, and it's very important to know about the history because history and literature are very much linked to one another. Fine. So the first ruler of Tudor dynasty was Henry VII. Henry VII, he ruled from 1485 to 1509. So Henry VII married Elizabeth of York, that you can see, and he was the first monarch of House of Tudor. And because of him, the Tudor dynasty and the York clan came, into each other's contact and they became friends. Henry VII and Elizabeth of York had 6 children. Okay, इनके 6 बच्चे थे. First one was Arthur. Arthur, Prince of Wales, and he died at the age of 15. Okay, Arthur married Catherine of Aragon. So after Arthur's death, Henry decided to arrange for Catherine to marry Arthur's younger brother Henry. Henry, he was Prince of Wales. Henry was also another child of Henry VII and he was a third child obviously. तो क्या हुआ कि आर्थर के मरने के बाद ही डाइड एट द एज ऑफ 15. इनके मरने के बाद कैथरीन ऑफ एरागोन की शादी हेनरी 8 से करवा दी जाती है. ठीक है. सो ही वॉज द यंगर ब्रदर ऑफ आर्थर. इससे कैथरीन ऑफ एरागोन की शादी करवाते हैं. Catherine was 23 years old when she married Henry, who was just 18 years old. Okay, Catherine was 23, Henry was 18 जब इनकी शादी हुई. So Catherine and Henry had a child who was Mary Tudor. Mary Tudor भी रानी बनी थी for around 5 years. वो बस 5 साल के लिए रानी बनी थी from 1553 to 1558. उसके बाद Elizabeth came into throne. Anyway. The second child was Margaret. Okay, Margaret जो है, she married the King of Scotland and became the Queen of Scotland. तो मार्गरेट ने शादी की जेम्स 4 से. Okay, Margaret married James 4, who was the King of Scotland. They had a child who was James 5. And एक टाइम ऐसा था when Margaret became the regent, यानी कि she was ruling instead of James 5, who was minor at that time. तो मार्गरेट ने भी थोड़े टाइम के लिए रूल किया था स्कॉटलैंड में. तो James 5 was their child. James 5 had only one daughter who was Mary, the Queen of Scots. She is very important queen because she was beheaded by Elizabeth and she was about to rule England, but eventually उसको मार दिया जाता है. Mary had a son who was James 6. Obviously James 5 के बाद comes James 6. James 6 of Scotland became James 1 of England. After Elizabeth I's death, James 6 became the King of England. ठीक है. और इंग्लैंड में राजा जब बने तो he became James 1. And that age is also called Jacobean age. Fine. Margaret married James 4. They had a son, James 5. They had a daughter. James 5 had a daughter, Mary. Mary had a son, James 6. So this was this race. उसके बाद Charles 1 comes, Charles 2 and like that. So next we come to Henry 8. He is the most important ruler in Tudor dynasty and he is best known for his 6 marriages and his efforts to have his first marriage to Catherine of Aragon annulled. See, ऐसा हुआ था that Catherine was a Catholic, Henry 7 was also a Catholic. ये सब Catholics थे only Henry VIII became a Protestant. Alright, why did he become Protestant? Because he fell in love with Anne Boleyn, but the Roman Church, they were not allowing Henry VIII to marry Anne Boleyn because obviously he was married to Catherine, and अब मतलब कि अगर डिवोर्स ना ले then he couldn't marry Anne Boleyn. तो डिवोर्स लेने के लिए, and Catherine was not ready to leave Henry VIII. They already had this daughter Mary. So Catherine कब कैसे छोड़े? So he adopted उस टाइम रिफॉर्मेशन का पूरा चल रहा था, so he changed his religion from Catholic to Protestant. And then he married, and then he left Catherine and Mary को bastard child बना दिया. Okay, he said that Catherine is not my wife, and बिल्कुल छोड़ दिया, and Mary became bastard child. Then he married Anne Boleyn. Anne Boleyn, Henry and Anne Boleyn gave birth to Elizabeth I, the most powerful ruler in Tudor dynasty, and obviously the last Tudor king, मतलब जो राजगद्दी में था, the last person to rule from Tudor dynasty was Elizabeth I only. Henry VIII also married Jane Seymour. Jane Seymour was the only wife जिसको उसने बहुत अच्छे से उसकी समाधि दी थी. The thing is that Jane Seymour died when she gave birth to Edward VI. Edward VI also became the ruler. So Edward VI was just 1 month old when Jane Seymour died due to complications and all, and obviously childbirth के बाद. At that time the medical facilities were not good, hence Jane Seymour died after giving birth to Edward VI. फिर then कुछ ही महीनों के बाद Henry VIII married Catherine Howard. She was a very young girl, she was just 17-year-old. Henry VIII liked her, married her, and after some time he had this thing, मतलब उसको बहुत भड़काया गया against Catherine Howard, and ultimately Catherine Howard was beheaded. इसको भी मार दिया गया. So Anne Boleyn and Catherine Howard को they were beheaded, गला काट के मार डाला गया. And the last queen was Catherine Parr. Catherine Parr, after death of Henry VIII, she married many times. इसके 5 husbands अब तक रह चुके. So she was the only queen during that time जिसने 5 marriages किए. So Henry VIII had 3 children: Mary, Elizabeth I, and Edward VI. It's very interesting to know that सबसे पहले तो obviously Edward VI was the only son, इस वजह से he became the king. After Edward's death there was a very huge confusion कि कौन बनेगा next ruler. So I'll tell you the whole story later, आगे कहानी देख के. Okay, so Edward VI के बाद Mary became the queen. Mary ruled for 5 years. फिर Elizabeth I became queen in 1558. ठीक है. ओके, तो वी शुड ऑल्सो नो द टाइम पीरियड जब उन्होंने रूल किया था. एडवर्ड VIII रूल्ड फ्रॉम 1537 to 1553. He died he died on 7th July 1553. Elizabeth ruled from 1558 to 1603. उसके बाद James I became the king. Mary ruled for 5 years from 1553 to 1558. ठीक है. So now you know the whole story of Henry VIII. Next was Elizabeth. Elizabeth was the second daughter of Henry VII. ठीक है. Henry VII की एक और डॉटर थी, सेकेंड डॉटर Elizabeth, who died at the age of only 3 years. 3 साल की उम्र में she died. So she is an irrelevant child अगर हिस्ट्री की बात करें तो. नेक्स्ट कम्स मैरी. शी वॉज एक काफ़ी शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए ही सही, बट शी वॉज क्वीन ऑफ फ्रांस. So she is also important. Mary is also very important. She was an English princess who was briefly Queen of France. She was the younger surviving daughter of King Henry VII. ठीक है. And the third wife of Louis XII. तो मैरी जो है, शी मैरिड, इसने शादी किससे की? लुई 12 से. लुई 12 ऑफ फ्रांस से शादी की एंड बिकेम द क्वीन ऑफ फ्रांस. ठीक है. हु वॉज 30 years ओल्डर टू हर. मतलब 30 साल का की वो एज गैप थी इन दोनों के बीच में. आफ्टर लुई 12 डेथ शी मैरिड चार्ल्स ब्रैंडन. चार्ल्स ब्रैंडन से सेकेंड उसने शादी की. Charles Brandon was her second husband, and Charles Brandon से ही she got these children. First was Francis and Eleanor. So Mary, Queen of France, had 2 children. One is Francis, second is Eleanor. Francis is important because she was firstly sister of यहाँ पे एडवर्ड 6 की कज़न सिस्टर हुई फ्रांसिस. नाउ एडवर्ड 6 के मरने के बाद देयर वाज अ कन्फ्यूजन कि अब कौन कौन रूल करेगा. ऑलराइट. सो उस टाइम फ्रांसिस की डॉटर जेन, शी वॉज made the Queen of England for just a span of 9 to 10 days. It's very बहुत ही tragic है कि बस 9-10 दिन के लिए बनी थी. And then Mary Tudor came to throne and ultimately Jane was beheaded. उसको मार डाला गया. Alright. So Mary, ये जो मैरी है, मैरी Queen of France, उसकी एल्डेस्ट डॉटर है फ्रांसिस. ठीक है. शी वॉज अ मदर ऑफ लेडी जेन ग्रे. जेन को लेडी जेन ग्रे के नाम से जाना जाता है. हु बिकेम द डी फैक्टो क्वीन ऑफ इंग्लैंड एंड आयरलैंड फ्रॉम 10th July until 19th July. सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट इज़ कि 10th July to 19th July ये क्वीन बनी रही. क्वीन ऑफ इंग्लैंड बनी थी. क्वीन ऑफ इंग्लैंड जस्ट 9 दिन के लिए. उसके बाद मैरी टुक ओवर द थ्रोन एंड जेन को मार डाला गया. बाकी के 2 बच्चे थे, कैथरीन एंड मैरी. सो फ्रांसिस हैड 3 daughters ओनली, जेन, कैथरीन एंड मैरी. एंड मैरी की जो सेकंड डॉटर थी एलिनोर, उसकी एक ही डॉटर थी मार्गरेट. फाइन. एंड द लास्ट चाइल्ड ऑफ हेनरी 7 एंड एलिजाबेथ ऑफ यॉर्क वर एडमंड ट्यूडर, हु डाइड एट द एज ऑफ 1 year ओनली. सो ये सारे ट्यूडर डायनेस्टी के मेंबर्स रहे हैं. एंड सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट रूलर जो थे वो है हेनरी 8, मैरी एलिजाबेथ 1, एडवर्ड 6. ओके. मैरी ऑफ स्कॉट्स इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. हिस्ट्री में शी हैज़ हर नेम. जेम्स 6 is also important because after Elizabeth I, James 6 became the ruler. So this is it. I'd like to show you all the whole thing here. Alright, hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you. Have a good day.